Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Chrome is present. This saves time. On Windows, press the Windows key and type Chrome, or on Mac OS, press Command plus space and type Google Chrome. Once done, scan the taskbar, dock, or desktop for a visible shortcut before diving deeper. If you see it, right-click to open file location or show in Finder. This reveals the exact app path and lets you act fast. Make sure to note which user account you're signed into when locating the app. You now track the actual file so you can create shortcuts or troubleshoot. On Windows, open File Explorer and navigate to C /Program Files or C /Program Files, x86, then Google /Chrome /Application to find Chrome. exe. On Mac OS, open Finder, go to Applications and inspect Google Chrome. App. Right-click and choose Show Package Contents for deeper files. Once located, verify the file size and last modified date to ensure it's You finish by making Chrome easy to open and resilient. Pin it to the taskbar or dock and set it as your default browser in system settings so links open there. If Chrome is absent or corrupted, download the official installer and run it. Make sure to use an admin account. Key troubleshooting tip: if an installer won't run, check your antivirus or quarantine folder. Antivirus can block Chrome. exe. Temporarily disable protection only while reinstalling, then re-enable and scan the new install.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.